Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, the other book just says tap around the joint. It also, when I was reading it, mentioned about part number 7 having, bolt number 7 having copper washers, and to make sure that they do go back. Okay, so just tap around, and it does say withdraw the left from the right, so not many places to tap. Have I got all the bolts? Am I missing one? It's almost like I need something to pull it apart. Someone did mention in an earlier video when I was having trouble, I was using a normal carpenter's hammer, and they suggested I use something like this, I think it was, in the comments.